Welcome to our channel. Today, we will talk about the 3D bending CNC machine for processing wire from 2 to 6 millimeters from our company, ElectroTorg. This is a new model that has many significant advantages compared to the previous version of the machine. Let us remind you that we also have a video about the previous model on our channel. So, this bending machine is an improved model that ensures more reliable and accurate operations thanks to the use of an electromagnetic clutch for matrix fixation instead of a pneumatic clamp. Main technical characteristics: wire diameter from 2 to 6 millimeters. Increased power of the third axis rotation and pulling motors to 3.8 kilowatts, significantly speeding up the production process of wire products. Software. The package includes software for working with DXF files, as well as ElectroTorg EMC proprietary software that uses an internal programming language, which allows production tasks to be performed faster and more efficiently. Parallel process execution. The internal programming language allows different actions to be performed in parallel, distributing algorithmic flows with temporal trajectories on a single time scale. This reduces idle motor run and allows continuous complex shapes to be bent by pushing the wire into the fixture. Thanks to these improvements, the machine ensures high productivity and accuracy, making it an ideal choice for manufacturing complex wire structures in production. And now, as usual, we will leave you for a while to observe the machine in operation. Write your questions and comments under the video. For ordering machines, please contact us using the provided contacts. See you in new videos.